Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I am simply going to guide you on how you can hide your last seen status on your WhatsApp account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to hide the last seen status on WhatsApp. So in today's video we are simply going to learn how we can hide our last seen status on WhatsApp and prevent anybody from seeing when we were last active on the WhatsApp app. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to simply make sure we have downloaded and installed the WhatsApp app on our phone. If not, then you want to simply open your app store and then type in WhatsApp. Go ahead and download it. If you have already downloaded, check for the update. If there is an update available, go ahead and simply update the app. After updating and logging into your account, I'm going to simply open WhatsApp. Make sure you already do have an account and that you are registered. So after we open WhatsApp, so how do we go about hiding our last seen status? For that, what we want to do is on the top right hand side of the menu, you will simply be able to see the three little dots. So what we want to do is we want to tap on the three dots which you see. As you tap on three dots, here you will find an option called settings. So we can simply go to settings. And once we go to settings, you can see that we will be taken to this page. You have multiple options over here, such as your account, your chats, your notifications, your storage and data, your help center, or you could also invite a friend to WhatsApp. But in this video, we are simply going to learn how we can hide the last seen status. So for that, I'm going to simply go ahead and tap on the first option right over here, which is called account. As we tap an account, again you'll have many options to customize your account settings, but again at the top you will find an option called privacy. So we are going to go and simply tap on the privacy option. And as we tap on privacy, here at the top you'll find an option called last seen. So we want to simply tap on the last seen option right over here, and here you can choose whom you want to see your last seen status. For example, you could choose everyone on WhatsApp to see your last seen status, or else you could only choose your contacts, or else you could only choose your contacts except a few people, or else you could choose nobody. Once you choose nobody on WhatsApp, even your best friend or your friend will actually be able to see your last seen status or your online status. So don't worry about that. Once you tap on nobody, at the bottom you'll find an option called done. So we are going to go ahead and tap on the done button. And as we tap on done, no one else will actually be able to see our last seen status on WhatsApp, and we would have successfully hid it from other users. So this was the way on how you can very easily hide your last seen status on WhatsApp. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.